In this video, we are going to demonstrate a game-changing tip for N26 cardholders: how to increase your daily ATM withdrawal limit. If you've ever needed more cash on the go, you won't want to miss this. Before we dive into this valuable topic, let's make this video interactive. Share your experiences, questions, or any financial tips you have in the comments section below. If you find this video helpful, support us by subscribing to Media Magnet Guide, hitting that notification bell, and giving this video a thumbs up. And here's an exclusive offer. If you haven't signed up for an N26 account yet, use my referral link in the description to create an account and start your financial journey. Increasing your daily ATM limit on your N26 card is simple. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the N26 app on your device and log in if you haven't already. Step 2. In the app's main menu, find the Settings or My Account section. This is where you'll manage your card preferences. Step 3. Look for Card Settings or a similar option. You'll see various card-related features. Step 4. Select the specific N26 card for which you want to increase the daily ATM limit. Step 5. Within the card settings, you'll typically find ATM Withdrawal Limit. Tap on this option. Step 6. Now, adjust the daily ATM withdrawal limit to your desired amount. You may need to confirm this change for security purposes. Keep in mind that the new limit may take a short time to become active. Once updated, you'll have access to a higher daily ATM withdrawal limit to meet your financial needs. Increasing your daily ATM limit on your N26 card is a smart move for those moments when you require more cash. It's a convenient feature that puts you in control of your finances. We value your engagement, so please share your thoughts, questions, or any money-saving tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And remember, if you haven't joined N26 yet, you can use my referral link in the description to create your account and unlock financial flexibility. Explore more tech tutorials and resources on mediamagnet.business. It's your destination for enhancing your tech knowledge. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.